Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and just film a quick video talking about giveaways. As you know, at the beginning of the year, my very first video, I said that I was going to start doing giveaways, like 2 a month, and I kept that up pretty good for January, for February, and then we got hit with this coronavirus news. And I have some giveaways lined up. I have a giveaway in collaboration with a brand. They were kind enough to send me some products to use for a giveaway, and unfortunately I have to put that giveaway and all other giveaways that I have planned on hold. I know that right now, like, the post office is still open and stuff, and so I can technically go and mail a package if I need to, but I'm trying to limit what I'm doing to just essential type stuff. So going to the grocery store for essentials, and really trying not to be out in the community and out and about, just doing my part to flatten the curve. And so I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I have not completely given up on giveaways. As soon as, you know, everything starts to calm down and I feel like it's okay to start doing giveaways again, then I will. So please stay tuned for that. I know that I do have a lot of new subscribers that are here through the giveaways, and thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. I'm so happy that you're here, and I hope that you'll stick around. I was planning something pretty big for May. That's my YouTube anniversary, and I wanted to do a bigger giveaway that month, as well as like a bigger one in the summer, and then a bigger one for my birthday month, which isn't until September, but who knows at this point, like, what's gonna happen with this thing. But I promise the giveaways are not ending. They're just kind of on pause right now, and I just wanted to come on here and kind of relay that information to you guys. I have had a few questions about it, so I just kind of wanted to address it generally. So like I said, giveaways are not ending. They're just on pause right now while we're trying to get through this whole coronavirus, flatten the curve type thing. So thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for supporting me and watching my videos, leaving me comments and giving me thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It makes me feel like my efforts in creating videos for you guys are noticed, and that really means a lot to me. So thank you once again, and I hope that everyone's doing well. Let me know down below what you've been up to during this time. I've taken up yoga, something I never thought I would do. I've been doing a lot of cooking, a lot of cleaning, a lot of filming and editing. I'm also working from home, so I've got paperwork and stuff to do, and just kind of trying to keep busy and remain positive. There are times where it's very, very hard, and I have had some crying spells, but overall I feel very blessed that things are slowing down. I miss Target like crazy. I miss Chick-fil-A. I miss going out to the mall. But, you know, overall, it's really nice to have this time to reflect and try to become a better version of myself. So like I said, let me know down below what you guys are doing. If you're not doing anything, you're just watching Netflix, that's fine. Let me know what you're watching, because I've already finished like 6 shows. So yeah, I hope that everyone's doing well, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you